Do you know what sets millionaires apart? It's not luck, it's habits. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful habits that can transform your life and skyrocket your success. First up, waking up early. Millionaires know the value of time, and they make the most of every minute. Picture this. The world is quiet, the sun is just rising, and you're already ahead of the game. Successful people like Tim Cook and Oprah Winfrey start their day before the rest of the world even hits snooze. Next is lifelong learning. Knowledge is power, and millionaires never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts. Think about Warren Buffett. He spends 5 to 6 hours reading every day. It's about feeding your mind and staying ahead in the game. Health and fitness, this is non-negotiable. Your body is your temple, and millionaires treat it as such. From hitting the gym to eating clean, they know that a healthy body fuels a healthy mind. Richard Branson swears by his daily exercise routine, claiming it doubles his productivity. Networking is another key habit. Success is not just about what you know, but who you know. Millionaires build powerful networks and surround themselves with like-minded individuals. They shake hands, exchange ideas, and create opportunities. Remember, your network is your net worth. Finally, goal setting and focus. Millionaires set clear, actionable goals and follow through with relentless focus. They write in journals, track their progress, and stay disciplined. Think about Elon Musk. His laser focus on his goals has brought SpaceX and Tesla to unimaginable heights. So start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. Incorporate these habits into your daily routine, and you'll be on the path to success. Remember, it's the little things done consistently that create massive change over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Let's build a community of successful, driven entrepreneurs together. You've got this. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and let's make this year your best one yet.